How to create a website without coding step-by-step guide for beginners. Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional website without writing a single line of code. Whether you're starting a blog, a business site, or an online portfolio, this step-by-step tutorial is for you. Let's dive in and build your website the easy way. What you need before we start: here's what you'll need. A computer with internet access, about 30 minutes of your time. A basic idea of what your website is for. We'll be using a drag and drop website builder, so you don't need to know HTML, CSS, or any coding. Choosing a website builder: there are several no-code website builders, but here are the top 3. Wix, best for design flexibility. Squarespace, great for creative portfolios. WordPress with Elementor, powerful and scalable. For this tutorial, we'll use Wix because it's beginner-friendly, fast, and free to start. Step-by-step website creation. Step 1. Sign up on Wix. Go to Wix, create a free account using email or Google. Click on Create New Site. Step 2. Choose your website type. Select what kind of website you want, for example, blog, store, portfolio. Wix will suggest templates based on your choice. Step 3. Pick a template. Browse hundreds of beautiful templates. Select one you like. You can customize it later. Click Edit to open Wix editor. Step 4. Customize the website. Add your logo, text, and images. Use drag and drop to move elements. Add sections like About, Services, Contact. Step 5. Add pages from the menu. Add more pages, for example, blog, FAQs, testimonials. Don't forget to link pages to your navigation menu. Step 6. Add functional elements: buttons, galleries, social media icons, contact forms. You can also add animations and background videos. Easily publish your website. Free plan. Click Publish in the top right. Your site will be live on a wixsite.com/your-name domain. Want a custom domain? Upgrade to a paid plan. Connect your domain like your-name.com. Mobile optimization: use Wix's mobile view to adjust how your site looks on phones. Make sure text, images, and buttons are easy. Bonus tips: use royalty-free images from Unsplash or Pexels. Add a contact form with auto-reply. Set up SEO using Wix's built-in SEO tools. Connect Google Analytics to track visitors. Summary: let's recap. You don't need to code. Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress let you build fast. A clear layout, good images, and simple text go a long way. You can launch your site. Finally, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on websites, AI tools, and tech hacks. Got a question? Drop it in the comments below. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.